Alrighty, I am the detective that is doing the cross-examination of Bo Derek Morgan, which is the nurse that treated Mitch for his chemical burn injuries at the hospital. Bo Derek.
My name is Bo Derek Morgan. I am an ER nurse at Ball Memorial Hospital. My boyfriend is Detective Walt Jeremy's brother, Tristan. I went to school with the brothers and Mitch Ritchie. On 4/16/19 at 2:40 a.m., I treated Mitch Ritchie for severe chemical burns to his forearms. Some of the symptoms that Mitch Ritchie was experiencing was burning and numbness at the site of the burn, as well as a large blister. I would consider his burns a second-degree burn, and the first thing I did was give him IV fluids, pain medications. We also checked for any kind of infection and cleaned and bandaged his forearms. Um, Also, many second-degree burns take longer than 3 weeks to heal. Therefore, the officers would see that there were treated burn wounds on his arms and not healed ones when he picked him up on 5/13/2019. And then at the next night, I was at a campfire where my boyfriend's brother was. I mentioned to him that Mitch Ritchie came into my work with chemical burns. I didn't tell him that I was a nurse, and I didn't know that he was a detective.
Okay, so as my first question, you were the nurse that treated Mitch Ritchie for his burns, correct?
Yes,
Okay. And would you categorize these burns to be strictly chemical burns? Or could you say that there was a possibility that these burns may have came from an accidental house fire?
I would put them as chemical burns just because you need to come in close proximity to chemicals for these type of burns. It's possible that he could have these burns from a house fire if these chemicals were inside the house while it was burning.
Okay. And as a nurse professional at IU, are you qualified to distinguish these type of burn marks?
Yes, all nurses are qualified to identify the type and severity of burns.
Okay, so you would not consider this just a professional opinion.
No, we're all trained to do it.
Okay. And did you test for any drugs or alcohol when you treated Mitch?
No, I did not.
And can you tell me why you did not, if you suspected that the burns did come from some type of chemical or drug-related accident?
He just wasn't acting as if he was on any drugs. He wasn't acting out of the ordinary.
Okay. Now shifting into your relationship. How long have you had a relationship with Tristan?
Just about 3 months, not that long.
Okay. And did you know that Tristan's brother was Detective Walt Jeremy?
I didn't know he was a detective.
You did not know the entire 3 months, or when did you become known that he was Detective Walt Jeremy?
Um, just when this trial started.
Okay. So, why did you tell the detective about the injuries instead of going into your boyfriend Tristan?
Um, because we went to school with each other and we were friends for a while. And we even knew Mitch Ritchie. We were close with him. So I just thought it was something I'd share.
Okay. And where did this encounter happen?
We were at a campfire the next night.
Okay, the night after you treated him for his injuries.
Yes,
Okay. And so my final line of questioning, did you know that Jeremy, Tristan's brother, was the lead detective investigating Mitch Ritchie?
I did not.
Okay. That would conclude my line of questioning.